Hey G-Squad, welcome back to Solo. Is it worth it? So today's episode, this cool event here, and pretty much what this is a tilt and swivel stand that you can use for your Echo Show 15. If you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and if you guys see my previous video, I reviewed a few different products from this brand before, and they make really high quality wall mount for you guys to use for your TV and etc. This time right here, we do have a stand for you guys to use for your Echo Show 15, which is really awesome. So what I want to do right now is open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. So once you guys open up, the inside is well protected, but you guys do take it out. First, the inside right here, they do provide you guys instruction to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So as to open up, they do provide you guys step-by-step instruction. And right underneath that, we do have the actual mount. So let's take it out. So there's different parts available for you guys. So the first part right here is the bottom of the stand. So they do have like the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. And then here's our side for you guys to set it up for the actual stand part right here. So there's screws for you guys to mount it, which I'll show you in a second. And right underneath that, we do have some more stuff. So here is probably the mount for you guys to use to mount it on the back part of your Echo Show. Next up right here, we do have the stand. So once you guys take it out, this is what it actually looks like. So you see how I should give you guys the option for you guys to raise it up and raise it down, which is really nice. There's only so far it can go before it falls out. So let's put it back in for now. So pretty much once you guys mount this part onto your back of your Echo Show 15, you guys put it on right here on one of the sides and start moving it. So I'll figure that out in a second. The bottom part right here is where you guys want to use the screw to screw it on to the bottom part. And the very last thing that's in the bottom is the screw for you guys to use it. So they even label on here to let you guys know which screw is for which part. And that is pretty much everything that's on the product. So what I'm doing right now is to bring this over to another room or another table area to show you guys how to assemble it, because there's not enough room for me to show you guys here. So I'm actually going to do that first, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have everything all set up. Let me show you guys how to assemble it. So the screw that I want to use for the bottom part is the base screw, which they do label on here. And when you guys do use it, you do have to actually use your own screw, which is not included. So make sure you guys do have the correct one. So let's put this on first. So this part will go on top like this. And you guys want to put the screws on the bottom to screw it in. So one on top and one on the bottom right here. Screw it in. Alright. Once you guys got it in, what I'm going to do next is to set up this part right here. But before you guys do, let me show you guys how to use this part right here in the front and also in the back. So what I'm going to do is unplug the cable on the Echo Show first. Once you guys do, you pretty much want to put the cable through the back part right here into the slot or the hole. Slide in all the way. Just like that. Once you guys do that, you guys can set it up on the actual back part right here. Once you guys got that set up, what you're going to do is install this onto the back part. Alright, so once you guys set up this part right here, what you guys want to do is make sure the cable goes through the bottom part right here. And this part that stays up should be faced upward like this. You guys want to screw it in. If you guys put it in any other direction, it may not be incorrect and it probably will stick out a little bit. But this is the correct way for you guys to set it up. So it shouldn't be too hard for you guys to set it up. It should be pretty easy. Alright, that's good. So once you guys finish setting up, now you can put it on. So the way how to design this part right here, it does have the option for you guys to raise it up, raise it down, which is really cool. And if you guys push it too much, this part right here will come off. But once you guys mount it onto right here, it will not come off. Let me show you what I mean. So what you're going to do is mask this hole into this part right here and lock it in. Let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to lock the back part in. Let me turn it this way so that way you can see it, and also that way I can see as well. So just lock it in just like this. So just like that. Once you guys lock it in, you do have the option to turn it left and right if you guys do want to, which is really nice. And you see how it does allow you to turn it left and right. And that is pretty much how far it can go. And if you guys do turn it up and down, you do have the option to tilt up and down as well. So that is how far it goes that way, and that is how far it goes that way. And you can see how when we do tilt it, it doesn't fall out, not like what I showed you earlier, because of the back part here, it does have the plate holding it. That way it cannot come out, which is really cool. But really cool how to give you guys the option to move in different directions, left, right, and up and down, in different angles if you guys want to. And the material on here is actually very high quality and very sturdy. So you don't have to worry about breaking or falling down anytime soon. And also another way for us to use it is the fact that if you guys angle a certain way like this, if you guys don't rotate it, now you can use like this, if you guys want to, which is very cool. So this is what the product looks like if you guys would use like this in the front. If you guys want to turn left and right, you do have the option available. And you do have the option to tilt up and down, which is really cool. If you guys want to turn back the other way, just go like this, and now you guys have it like this. So very easy and very simple for you to assemble it. You can see it does not take that long for you to set it up, and the stand itself is actually very durable, so that way you don't have to worry about it breaking anytime soon or anything, just like what I just mentioned. But here's what it looks like in the front, and right here is the back. And if you guys want to take it off, feel free to take it off. You do have the option to take it off really easily using the screws in the back. But I also love how they do have this cable management option right here in the back to keep everything all organized and in place. But that is pretty much everything that's on the product. You can see it definitely does work. Welcome back, guys. So nice little quick test of product definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. If you see the whole setup parts and everything didn't take that long, it's actually very easy and very simple. If you guys follow all the instructions and the steps correctly, and when you guys do set it up, you guys need to have your own tool because the tools are not included. But see how once you guys do set it up, it's very easy and very convenient for you to use, for you to tilt the screen if you guys want to, or move in different angles. And you do have the option to use it horizontally, or you can use it vertically as well. And when you guys do feel the material that's on the stand, it's actually very high quality, just like any other wall mounts or other product from this brand, which is really awesome. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality stand for you guys to use for an Echo Show 15 device, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.